Listen up, homeowners. You're about to uncover the best-kept secret in custom pool builders. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your learning experience.
My name's John Versfelt, and I'm with Southernwind Pools, and I've been building pools since 1983. What we do that's a little bit different in building pools today is that we have a certain standard of engineering with our construction, specifically with the schedule of steel we use, half-inch box beams throughout the pool. Type of gunite, we use wet shotcrete, which is stronger than gunite. We also communicate with the homeowner in a way that we let them know on a regular basis what's going on, how it's going on, and when it's going on, so that they can understand that what's happening in their backyard is consistent with their expectations.
Of the different pools I've had built, and this is my third one, the thing that Southernwind Pools did probably beyond the norm, in fact certainly beyond the norm, was to stay in touch with me and to communicate with me as the pool was under construction, so that it kept the process moving along fairly quickly, you know, the communication was the best I've had. I'm probably the one that appreciates the quality more because I see it day in and day out, but when we have friends over, they really comment on the beauty of it. I basically sketched out the design for John and his folks, and they gave me some very good pointers as to how to, you know, slightly alter the design so it worked better. But they were also very amenable to, you know, the ideas that I had, and of course I would recommend Southernwind Pools if I'm asked.
When it comes to building a pool with Southernwind Pools, what we include as standard construction standards, and specifically what I mean is a minimum of 2 skimmers, individual suction lines for the skimmers and the main drains, the timeliness in which the construction is built, and the detail in which we do our stone work and our Luder's limestone detail, we feel stands us apart from other builders, specifically with the attention to detail that we give it. We think that a swimming pool is a structure that should last as long as your home, and it should be as elegant and as nice to look at as it is as functional it is to use and enjoy.
The process is a bit overwhelming at first. The idea of trying to design something when you have no idea what it's going to look like, and it's a big change in your backyard to be making, so you want it to be right. But Southernwind did a very good job of working with us, helping us put together plans, showing us things on the computer, and bringing it all together so that we had a good idea of what it would look like. John and the team at Southernwind did a great job of coming in, telling us what was going on during the process, and always keeping us informed of what the priorities were, how the pool was moving along, and then when they thought it might be done.
We had ideas what we wanted, and they really made sure we had all of our wants in it before we started. We've got the tanning ledge I wanted, we've got the diving board for the kids that's going to make the pool usable, I think, longer for the kids as they get older. And it's just great. Everything turned out wonderful.
And the payoff for us is someone that becomes a testimonial for us and tells a friend, and we get a referral and we build more pools. We do build pools at a high caliber. We also build pools that are consistent with budgets in mind. Southernwind Pools is an award-winning pool company. We receive awards on a national and regional level. This is an acknowledgement for Southernwind Pools from in the industry, and we feel very fortunate to be receiving these awards. It allows us to feel that we're doing new and creative ideas when we receive awards like this.
Everyone absolutely loves our pool. When they walk in, they always ask who built the pool.
It's exactly what we wanted. It fits in perfectly with our lifestyle. It works within our timing for when we wanted it. They worked great with us on putting in the pool when we bought the house so that everything worked well together. Definitely the best thing about the pool is the design. It works exactly the way we wanted it inside of our yard. The hot tub works around exactly close to the end of the house. The guy who designed it exactly met what we wanted. Everything worked out perfectly from construction stage to final product. We felt like Southernwind, from all the references, was perfect.
We would definitely refer other people to Southernwind Pools. They did a wonderful job from beginning to finish.
Our goal is design excellence with a personal touch. We like to achieve this through the ideas that homeowners bring to us. We take their ideas and their dream backyard creations and we engineer a design that is suitable for construction, and we execute that. All our pool design ideas are ideas that homeowners have brought to us. We're just the talent in which to execute that.
Anytime you complete any project that you spend a tremendous amount of time in looking into and investigating, and obviously 50, 60,000 plus in an investment, you always look back and say, gee, maybe I should have done this or I should have done that, because there's so many choices. I feel like we really researched and had a lot of help from John and Southernwind Pools making good decisions. I would really recommend John and Southernwind Pools. I mean, we've been extremely happy, and they helped us with all those decisions, and they've just been excellent in every step of the way.
We have absolutely no complaints with John and his crew, and they were very, very timely, very efficient.
And they've been really, really on top of things, and anything we need, they come out, they check it out, they've taught us how to use the pool, and I believe if anything goes wrong, they'll be here to take care of it.
When you're shopping for a pool, it's always good to ask the potential pool builder a few questions. Specifically, how many years they've been in business, their association with the Better Business Bureau, trade organizations, whether they service their product. At Southernwind Pools, we're not only a swimming pool builder, but we're a service company. We clean pools, we repair pools. This allows us to offer cleaning maintenance on all our products. With every pool that we build, we included no additional charge, 3 months of cleaning service. We also have the ability to dispatch repair technicians when needed, rather than relying on factory dispatched processes that can add 2 or 3 days to the turnaround time to get a repair done. What's different about pools these days is the backyard environment. And specifically what I mean is, it's not just about swimming anymore. You have a swimming pool for summer fun, you have a hot tub for winter fun, you have outdoor areas that can include fireplaces, roofed-in outdoor living areas, built-in barbecue grills for outdoor kitchens, with added features of swimming pools like waterfalls, aqua arches, beach entries. It becomes a whole environment. So it's not just about swimming. Swimming's the bonus. You actually get to enjoy the backyard environment all year round. Pools have been a setting to enjoy from inside the house as well as outside the house.
Well, John and the whole Southernwind team were great in walking us through the process, and were very patient with all the questions we asked. They consistently under-promised and over-delivered on timelines, so we were very happy and pleased that things were actually done ahead of when we expected it. The pool was built with really minimal disruption to our family and our normal schedule, so they were really great in scheduling around our lives as well. Southernwind was really good in showing us a lot of pools that they had just built. Their website was very helpful in looking at different color combinations of plaster with decking materials. If we had it to do over again, we would absolutely choose Southernwind Pools again. We were very happy with their professionalism, with their service, and really with the quality of work they did.
Another great thing in swimming pools that's changed over the years, automation. With indoor automated controls, wireless remotes allows homeowners to operate a hot tub, set temperatures with a single button touch. This has simplified the operation and made the enjoyment of features much more attainable. If you have colored lighting, water features, these can all be set on timers, controlled by single button pushes, and simplified. So there isn't a process in which you have to take yourself out to the equipment location and having a good understanding about how everything operates, because automation has come to a level in the pool industry that simplified it. So sit back and relax and let us show you how swimming pools have changed. When you see something you like, just make a note. One of our pool designers will be happy to show you how we can build that in your backyard. A swimming pool should be many years of carefree fun and enjoyment. If we can be of any help, just give us a call. Thanks and enjoy the show.